as the familiar equal sign, it is also very useful to show if something is not equal to, greater than, or less than. These are the important signs to know. When two values are equal, we use the equal sign. Example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. When two values are definitely not equal, we use the not equal to sign. Example, 2 plus 2 is not equal to 9. But when one value is smaller than another, we can use a less than sign. Example, 3 is less than 5. And when one value is bigger than another, we can use a greater than sign. Example, 9 is greater than 6. Less than and greater than. The less than sign and the greater than sign look like a V on its side, don't they? To remember which way around the less than and greater than signs go, just remember: big greater than small, small less than big. The small end always points to the smaller number, like this. Example, 10 is greater than 5. Or the other way around, 5 is less than 10. Do you see how the symbol points at the smaller value? Or equal to. Sometimes you know that a value is smaller, but may also be equal to. Example, a jug can hold up to 4 cups of water. So how much water is in it? Until you measure it, all you can say is less than or equal to 4 cups. To show this, we add an extra line at the bottom of the less than or greater than symbol, like this: the less than or equal to sign, the greater than or equal to sign. Here is a summary of all the symbols. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is not equal to 1. 5 is greater than 2. 7 is less than 9. Marbles are greater than or equal to 1. Dogs are less than or equal to 3. Why would you use these? Because there are things you do not know exactly, but can still say something about. So we have ways of saying what you do know, which may be useful. Here's an example. John had 10 marbles, but lost some. How many has he now? Answer: he must have less than 10. If John still has some marbles, we can also say he has greater than 0 marbles. Marbles greater than 0. But if we thought John could have lost all his marbles, we would say marbles greater than or equal to 0. Combining. You can sometimes say 2 or more things on the one line. Example, Becky starts with $10, buys something, and says, "I got change too." How much did she spend? Answer: something greater than $0 and less than $10, but not $0 or $10. What Becky spends is greater than $0. What Becky spends is less than $10. This can be written down in just one line. That says that $0 is less than what Becky spends. In other words, what Becky spends is greater than $0. And what Becky spends is also less than $10. Notice that the greater than was flipped over to less than when we put it before what Becky spends.